Green means growth. Why plants are a non-negotiable in every modern office. Hi everyone, it is Hien from DH Garden Center in beautiful Kitsilano, Vancouver. In an age dominated by screens, deadlines, and sterile workspaces, one of the most powerful productivity tools is neither digital nor mechanical. It's alive, silent, and green. Across the world, top-performing companies, from Google's biophilic campuses in California to Amazon's lush spheres in Seattle, are investing in indoor plants. But this isn't just about aesthetics. Mounting scientific evidence confirms what nature lovers have always felt. Plants make us work better, think clearer, and feel more alive. In this article, we'll explore how greenery transforms cognitive function and emotional wellness at work, the measurable benefits of plant-filled offices versus bare ones, real-life case studies from renowned corporations, how even your home office can be reimagined with one thoughtful green corner. And if you care about your performance and peace of mind, pause here and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more practical plant-powered workplace tips. Like this so far? Imagine how your work could change. Like and subscribe to our YouTube channel for expert tips from DH Garden Center. Number 1, the science is clear. Plants boost productivity. The University of Exeter found in a landmark 2014 study that offices enriched with greenery saw a 15% increase in productivity compared to lean, plantless workspaces. Employees in green offices made fewer errors, completed tasks faster, and reported higher job satisfaction. NASA's research, originally aimed at space stations, discovered that common houseplants, like peace lilies and pothos, remove toxins like benzene, formaldehyde, and trichloroethylene from the air. Cleaner air means better concentration, reduced fatigue, and fewer headaches. A Harvard T.H. Chan School of Public Health study showed that working in well-ventilated offices with low pollutants and greenery led to a 61% improvement in cognitive scores, including crisis response and strategy formulation.
Number 2. Big Tech's Big Green Secret. Let's look at what industry leaders are doing. Google, their Mountain View HQ features indoor green walls, trees, and a rooftop garden. This isn't window dressing. It's based on biophilic design principles shown to reduce stress, improve memory, and increase creativity. Amazon, the Seattle Spheres house over 40,000 plants from around the world. Employees use these biodomes for meetings and breaks. Why? Studies show that even 3 minutes of looking at greenery reduces cortisol levels and restores focus. Apple Park in Cupertino integrates over 9,000 trees and open indoor-outdoor workspaces. Their wellness philosophy embraces nature as integral to high-performance culture. These companies aren't just building green for beauty, they're building it for profit, purpose, and people. Want to bring this mindset into your workspace? Follow us for biophilic insights from the experts at DH Garden Center. Number 3, no green, more problems, the cost of plant-free offices. If plants uplift, what does their absence cost? Cognitive decline offices with no natural elements have been associated with lower focus, more mistakes, and reduced problem solving. The sterile, lifeless environment creates what scientists call cognitive dulling. Mental health risks. According to a 2020 study by Human Spaces, employees in offices without greenery report 15% higher stress levels and 23% lower life satisfaction. Physical health decline, dry air, accumulated pollutants, and poor ventilation in plant-free environments lead to increased sick days, headaches, and eye strain. You don't need a rainforest to avoid these risks. Sometimes one peace lily on your desk can make all the difference. Inspired? Like and subscribe to our YouTube channel for practical advice on low-maintenance plants for your home or office. Number 4, home office still needs green. Remote work is here to stay, but many home offices are designed with function, not well-being in mind. Here's what greenery does for your work-from-home setup. Boosts focus. A 2021 study from the University of Tokyo found that participants working near plants reported better sustained attention and 12% faster task completion. Reduces burnout. Greenery acts as a micro break. Just a glance toward your snake plant can interrupt digital fatigue and reboot your mood. Improves air quality, especially in winter or in sealed indoor environments. Plants can improve humidity and remove indoor pollutants. Need help choosing the right plant for your lighting and space? Subscribe now, or better yet, visit us at DH Garden Center, Kitsilano. We'll walk you through it. Number 5. Green is more than decor. It's designed for performance. In today's high-stakes, fast-paced work environments, performance isn't just about effort. It's about energy, clarity, and connection. And one of the most underrated design strategies that supports all three is green. Biophilic design, the practice of integrating nature into the built environment, is more than a trend. It's now a recognized pillar of modern architecture. More and more workplaces are adding plants not just for looks, but because they drive measurable performance. Offices with plant inclusive design report +115% productivity, +45% creative thinking, 30% stress-related absences. Sources: University of Exeter, Harvard, Human Spaces. Strategic placement matters. In break rooms, greenery invites calm. In meeting rooms, it fuels innovation. And on personal desks, plants provide micro-restorative moments that reduce digital fatigue. The WELL building standard, used by companies worldwide to certify healthy workplaces, now considers biophilic elements as essential, not optional. And if you're ready to green your space but don't know where to start, visit DH Garden Center in Kitsilano, Vancouver. Our expert team will help you choose the right plant for your space, style, and schedule. Because green isn't just beautiful, it's smart, it's human, it's essential. Number 6, real-world case studies, companies that made it work. Deloitte, Amsterdam, their office. The Edge integrates indoor trees, living walls, and moss panels. The result: sick leave dropped by 30% and employee satisfaction reached record highs. Microsoft, Redmond, WA. Their renovation included massive green installations, resulting in a boost in employee productivity by 12% and higher retention in key departments. Shopify, Canada. Known for their sleek, eco-conscious offices, Shopify added modular green areas in breakout zones. A study showed reduced workplace anxiety and improved team collaboration within 6 months. These aren't isolated events, they're part of a global shift toward human-centered, plant-powered environments. Number 7, your turn, a simple start with big impact. You don't need a corporate budget to green your space, you just need intention. Start with a hardy plant like a ZZ plant, snake plant, or pothos, a simple ceramic or handmade pot that makes you smile, a plant care calendar to remind you to water, dust, and observe. These small habits deliver outsized benefits to your well-being and workflow. And at DH Garden Center, we're happy to help you every step of the way. Whether you're a solo entrepreneur in a tiny home office or an HR director at a global firm, one truth remains: where plants thrive, people do too. Greenery in the workplace isn't a luxury, it's a strategic asset. A simple desk fern can ease your anxiety. A living wall can lower your team's sick days. A sunlit peace lily might just spark your next big idea. In the age of burnout and disconnection, nature quietly offers a cure, rooted in science, beauty, and the timeless logic of life. If you're in Vancouver, visit us at DH Garden Center, Kitsilano. We're more than a store, we're your partners in creating green spaces that work. Need help picking plants for your lighting and office needs? Want advice on pots, placement, or air purifying greenery? Come talk to us. Let us help you turn your workspace, wherever it is, into a place where productivity feels good again. And if this article brought you value, like it, subscribe to our YouTube channel, share it with someone who needs more green in their life, because a single plant might not change the whole world, but it could change yours.